What's going on? In this video, I'm going to be going over the best 3 Fortnite retakes for competitive and tokens. This is a continuation of a video I did a long time ago. Make sure to watch to the end and not miss the best retake for getting height. Alright, for the first and simplest retake, you're going to want to do a ramp and a 2-tile double edit to the right. From here, you want to place a ramp, floor, ramp, but instead of just running through it, you want to place 4 walls and a cone above the ramp, and then you want to run up and reset this floor so that it boosts you up. Then you want to flip this ramp and immediately place 3 walls like this. Next, you want to edit one tile of this cone and place another cone on top of it. Then you want to reset edit this cone and immediately place 3 walls like this. From here, you can either edit through or you can chain it and do it again. Here's what that looks like in full speed. This retake is good because you gain 8 layers in just about 7 seconds without being exposed for any portion of it. The next retake, while seemingly easy, is actually significantly harder to execute. It's just 2 tack sprint side jumps chained together. You want to place a ramp and a cone, and then tack sprint and land on your floor and ramp while placing another cone on top of you, and then immediately tack sprint is that exact same thing. From there, you can either chain into a 3rd side jump at 90, or you can edit through this cone. Here's what that looks like in full speed. This retake, while not as protected, is also extremely useful because you ascend 7 layers in just over 4 seconds. For the 3rd and final retake, this is the hardest one by far, and I'm not even sure if it's possible on controller. It starts with just a ramp and a cone. Place a wall in the cone, and then you want to side jump, but before you even jump, you want to place a cone, and then you want to flick and place 3 walls while you're jumping and land on a floor and ramp. Like that. That way there's nothing that can shoot you from any direction. From there, you want to place 2 walls through this cone and edit up 1 tile. Then you want to edit through this wall and place another ramp, cone, and wall to make sure you block off every angle. And then you want to place another 2 walls through the cone and do another side jump, landing on your ramp and placing a cone above your head. As soon as you land, you want to place a wall to your left to make sure you don't get shot, and then another 3 walls, 2 through the cone and 1 down below, and then you can edit this tile of the cone, edit this wall, and do 90s. Here's what that looks like in full speed. While this retake is extremely difficult, it is also extremely protective with no gaps to be shot, all while keeping your upwards momentum the entire time with no pause. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. No long outros, bye.